this looks so chotu sa, and I was like, how am I gonna fit in this? Hi guys, my name is Deekshita and welcome to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So today I'm back with a new haul video, and this one is not from a particular website. This is like a collective haul. I got a ton of things from Myntra, Zivame and Nykaa. And most of these have been bought before the lockdown, but कुछ मैंने lockdown के बाद भी खरीदा है. And now I have everything with me, so I decided why don't I do like a tiny haul for you. So इसमें काफी से comfortable clothes होने वाले हैं. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Also, there was this huge EORS sale on Myntra a few days back, and I ordered obviously a ton of stuff off it. And I will do a haul on that, but all those things will take some time to get delivered to my house, and then I'll sanitize them because obviously I have to take all the precautions. तो वो वीडियो थोड़ा सा लेट होगा. I'll post it by the second week of July most probably. So stay tuned for that. काफी सारा सामान मंगाया मैंने. And yes, now I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without wasting more of your time, let's just get started. So now let's start with Myntra first, and I've slided over this side ताकि यहाँ पे you can see my try on in the pictures and everything. So the first clothing piece and the only non-loungewear, non-night suit clothing piece you can say is this suit set. So we'll start with that. Now I got this back in February for a wedding, and oh god, I loved this. So this one has a palazzo, a kurta and then a dupatta, and the dupatta is obviously what sold me on this suit. Now the palazzo and the suit kurta part जो है वो काफी से simple सा है, which is what I really liked about it. But then the dupatta, oh god, it's so beautiful. Believe me, this looks so good. And guess how much I got this for? I got this for 750 rupees, and I was so happy with this purchase. And you can pair all of these individually too. like दुपट्टा तो मैं किसी भी टाइप के कपड़ों के साथ स्टाइल कर सकती हूँ, लाइक किसी भी टाइप के और सूट सेट मे बी लाइक ऑल वाइट लुक, उसमें ये दुपट्टा डाल सकते हो. यू कैन यूज दिस पलाजो विद मल्टीपल लाइक कुर्ताज. दैट्स व्हाट आई लाइक अबाउट दिस कि सिंस इसमें ऐसा कुछ बहुत ज्यादा प्रिंट्स नहीं है या फिर इट्स वेरी बेसिक, तो ये एक अच्छा सिलवेट, एक अच्छा बेस दे देगा आपको टू क्रिएट एन आउटफिट अराउंड इट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्लोथिंग पीस एंड अनदर फेवरेट ऑफ माइन इज दिस नाइट सूट. ये मैंने ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो में पहना हुआ है. आई लिंक द वीडियो समवेयर हियर, यू कैन वॉच इट. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो है. तो उसमें मैंने पहना था, एंड सम ऑफ यू आस्क्ड मी वेयर आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दिस वन आई गॉट अगेन फ्रॉम मिंत्रा, बट दिस इज फ्रॉम Zivame. मतलब ये है Zivame का, बट आई गॉट इट ऑफ मिंत्रा. And this is so cute. Like look at the print. इसमें ये I don't know, these dogs I think बने हुए, and the color, the print, it looks so cute. And this is the first time I tried out a pajama set from Zivame, and let me tell you, the quality is so good. Now this comes in a very soft fabric. I don't know what this fabric is. ये आपका ऐसा कोई normal fabric नहीं है. This is a very different fabric. और ये बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है पहनने में. आई गॉट दिस वन फॉर आई थिंक 800 समथिंग रुपीज़, एंड आई गॉट दिस फॉर 50% ऑफ. ये ओरिजिनली आई थिंक 1600-1700 का था, एंड गेटिंग दिस फॉर 50% ऑफ इज़ अ गुड डील एक्चुअली. So yeah, I got this pajama set, and I definitely recommend you to buy this. ये या फिर कोई भी variant you can get for yourself. बट समथिंग लाइक दिस जिसका फैब्रिक ये वाला हो, ये बहुत अच्छा फैब्रिक है. मतलब ये बहुत सॉफ्ट फैब्रिक है, एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू वांट व्हेन यू वांट टू जस्ट ले ऑन योर बेड ऑल डे, यू आर हैविंग अ चिल डे, रिलैक्स डे, और यू आर गोइंग टू स्लीप. तो आप ऐसे ही कुछ पहनना चाहते हो जो कि काफ़ी सॉफ्ट सा हो. So yeah, this is a very good option. Now I think I got this on for XL, and I should have downsized क्योंकि मुझे काफ़ी लूज होता है. And now the third thing that I got are a pair of pajamas. Now ये मैंने इनको खरीदने के बाद, मतलब this one night suit when I bought it, उसके बाद I got inspiration to buy a few more things from Zivame. मतलब Zivame, but I got them from Myntra. I'm so sorry if I'm confusing you. But yeah, again I got a pajama. This one is not like a night suit, it's a pajama only. But again, this is very pretty. इसका कलर काफी अच्छा है. You can see it here. कलर ऐसे पिंक ब्लश टाइप का कलर है, and then it has got this, I think these are smileys. It's got smileys all over it. And this one I got in size L. Next one I again got another track pants, kind of a loungewear this time. And these are pink colored track pants. These are from the brand, I don't know the brand, it's it's not written. I think I got this also for very cheap. ये मेरे को शायद 400 something का पड़ा था, around 400. And yeah, so this one is this looks like this, but I am not very happy with this purchase because I thought it would be a little thicker. ये बहुत ज़्यादा thin है and it's kind of like a little see-through. So yeah, I was not very happy with this. But ये जो model में दिख रहा था, as you can see here, it's a little different from that I can say for surety, क्योंकि ये काफ़ी thin है और it like sticks to your leg. मुझे थोड़ा सा loose type के track pants पसंद हैं, so that you can wear them with like fitted crop tops और बहुत cute सा look आता है. You can even wear them outside very easily. But this one disappointed me a little. Although I kept it because I got it for very cheap and I thought कि ठीक है, I'll wear it inside my house and everything. So I kept it. But there's this very good thing about these pants कि इसमें pockets हैं. It's very rare that you get women clothing pieces जिसमें pockets हों. I think इस Zivame वाले में नहीं. This one also has pockets. And then this yellow one, yeah, all of these have pockets. That's shocking. That's so good to see. I love a good bottom with pockets, so that's a plus point. Got another pair of pajamas. वो भी Zivame के थे. I'll post the picture and they look so cute. But I don't know, जब वो आए तो I didn't like the fit and everything, so I returned them. But yeah, I got this blue pajamas too. So the last thing that I got from there is a set of camisoles. ये camis हैं. I got 4 camisoles और ये भी काफ़ी cheap मिला था मुझे. So इसमें ये 4 colors as you can see in the picture. The first one is this pink one, and like I'll show you this one. बाकी सारे you can see same ही है इस पे. And this one is like a very nice bright color. और इसकी quality भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. It's very like soft, बहुत soft सा है पहनने में. So this is the next purchase. Now we're done with Myntra and we'll move on to Zivame. Now Zivame से भी मैंने ये सारी चीज़ें I think lockdown से पहले ही मंगा ली थी. So there's this one black track pants that I had from Zivame. मैंने उसको non-stop पहना है. I just love those pair of track pants क्योंकि वो इतने ज़्यादा comfortable हैं. I think I wore them in some video also if I'm not wrong. So I like them so much that I got it in 2 different colors. I bought this one जो कि आर्मी ग्रीन कलर का and then there is one in navy blue. I'll post the try on of both of these and yeah, I have this one in hand right now. दूसरा वाला is there in the washing. But yeah, this is such a good pair of track pants, and if you are looking for some track pants, if आप सोच रहे हो खरीदने का but you don't know where to get it from, you can definitely like check out Zivame. मुझे तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आया and I was shocked कि Zivame में इतने अच्छे, मतलब I knew they had good lingerie. I ordered lingerie from there, but I wasn't sure about their loungewear and stuff. But I've been loving it. Of track pants, these are like काफ़ी loose नीचे तक and they fit me so well and they've got pockets. Again, my obsession with pockets never stopped. They've got this drawstring at the front and yeah, this is like such a nice pair of track pants. I think ये मैंने style किया in one of my videos. And then next I got a couple of active wear from there. I got these athletic shorts from there and they are like very simple but they are very comfortable. तो ये double layer का है for extra protection. I think mostly जो athletic shorts वगैरह होते हैं वो ऐसे ही होते हैं. And yeah, this is very comfortable और मुझे इसका कलर बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया and I think it is such a different color because normally active wear बहुत basic से colors में आता है. So I liked how different this looked. And speaking about this color, I got another thing in the same color. ये एक वो है active pant, like a yoga pant. I think they're called yoga pants. And yeah, this is what it looks like. और ये बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है. Although this looks so छोटू सा, and I was like, how am I gonna fit in this? But this is stretchable. Like it stretches so much, and it fits your body like a glove, and it looks so like it looks so good on you. So yeah, this is a good piece. So next I got a few bras from there and the first 2 ones are these sports bra. I don't know whether these are sports bra. They are like sports bra / lounge bra / I don't know. I'll just show it to you. So this is what it looks like. You can even wear it as a crop top actually. क्योंकि ये crop top पे भी काफ़ी cute लगेगा. So this is what it looks like and it's a reversible one. तो अंदर से it's pink, बाहर से it's purple and you can wear it from either side. And these ones are very comfortable. मतलब just for wearing inside your house, lounging around, you can wear them outside too obviously. But you know, like there are very less bras that are so comfortable inside your houses. So this is a good one and I got the same one in this amazing, beautiful blue color. Like how beautiful is this color? And again the same reversible thing, ये black बन जाता है पीछे से. So yeah, that's it for Zivame. And now we move on to our last shopping site, which is Nykaa. Now Nykaa से मैंने बहुत सारे products तो नहीं मंगाए थे because I recently did like a huge shopping spree there. और मैंने वहाँ से काफ़ी चीज़ें मंगाई थी and did a haul on that too. So I'll link that haul here and you can watch it. And there I showed you a lipstick specifically जो कि Nykaa की Molten Matte range से थी. It was a liquid lipstick जो कि I got in shade Rachel. And I loved that shade so much that I got 2 more like lipsticks, like shades from that range. So I got this one, which is Penny 15 and then Robin 14. So Robin one I've applied on my lips today and both of them again are very good shades. I'll swatch them और मैं आपको यहाँ पे दिखा दूँगी. The Robin one, so you can see already I've applied it. It's like a brownish nude. And then this Penny one, this is like ऐसा शेड जो कि आपकी लिप्स कलर को इतना मैच करेगा कि you can wear this very easily for your everyday life. You can wear both of these for your everyday life. And वो Rachel वाला shade is also very good. So if you are looking for new lipsticks, then definitely try out this range from Nykaa. और इसके ये तीनों shades use करना, they are so good. And then again I got a lipstick there from Maybelline's Creamy Matte range. I got 2 more shades. I got this one in Bold Crimson and one in Touch of Spice. The Touch of Spice is another like a brownish nude shade, and this also looks so good. I got this Bold Crimson one and I was wearing this I think in my last video. उसके intro में मैंने यही पहना था and this is such a good shade. Next I got this Nykaa का Kajal. I'm a big Kajal person. And I really like trying out new kajal. This is a good kajal too. अच्छा है, काफी reliable है. It stays on, ज़्यादा smudge नहीं होता. So this is a good kajal. And then the last thing is this shimmer brick. I think these are called like eyeshadow bricks, like a single eyeshadow kind of thing. So I got this for I think 65 rupees, and these are very cheap. And I think these look so good. This one is like a transparent shade. और ये आप किसी भी कलर के ऊपर से यू कैन टॉप एनी कलर विद दिस, क्योंकि ट्रांसपेरेंट है एंड इट विल जस्ट ऐड this transparent shimmer, so it will basically take the color of the existing eyeshadow. If you want the links for anything, check out the description bar. I'm sure उसमें सारे links आपको मिल जाएंगे. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you liked it, then give it a big thumbs up. Also tell me in the comments which was your favorite clothing piece or something you'd like to buy. Or if you have any video requests, then do leave them in the comment section too. Or leave something as simple as a hi and I'll reply to it because I love chatting with you guys. Make sure you're following me on my Instagram because I like to share more of my personal life there. So this is my Instagram handle and go follow me there. And yeah, do not leave without subscribing. Please, I cannot emphasize on this enough. Subscribe to this channel. Click on this red button and make sure that you subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much to everyone who's been subscribing lately. And now I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye.